What's up, y'all niggas? We are back. CBT and the fam again, nigga. We got another vlog for y'all. Home Reno. CBT edition. Look at this nigga. That nigga back there look like he a zombie or a vampire or some shit. He be tripping, man. You alright, AJ? You alright, man? That's wonderful. So, the guy came today. He wanted us to take the floor up and brace it more, because he said when he walked in the door, he didn't like the way it bent, but he don't realize this is some thin board, you know. It ain't that real thick stuff, and he wanted this stuff, so we're gonna brace it up for him, make it more sturdy, you know what I'm saying, so it can hold my weight. If it hold me, it'll hold y'all, you feel me? Well, actually, while he's doing this stuff, I'm gonna go in here and do this stuff right here, so we gonna get to my time lapse, nigga. So, I had cut from the time lapse, but this is what we got done so far. And we had to take this up and re-brace everything. So we got done with the re-brace. He re-braced it and I put the floor back down. So it's like a little system we got going on. You feel me? But I guess we about to hit you with a time. I don't know if I'm gonna hit you with a time lapse, man, because we're gonna be finishing up here in a little bit. So, yeah. So, we done ran into another problem. We done ran out of screws. We just got a handful left. So I guess you can go ahead and use the rest for the bracing. So maybe we'll have to stop right here till we get some more screws and stuff like that. Because I don't have enough to put, start on the floor in the bathroom. So we're just gonna finish the bracing right here. Finish that up. And we're gonna call it a day. I guess because we ain't got nothing else to do. So, boo! We'll get back to y'all once we get to that crib. You feel me? No way. We had nowhere near enough screws. Nowhere near. So we do got stuff. I thought we have enough to see. We stopped to see if he would have enough to finish them or whatever. Let me lock this door. So yeah, we're about to stop right here. We only had enough to finish the braces. We're gonna pick back up on that whenever he brings the stuff, like always. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the house. For real this time. We back. We just got to the house. I just got done washing my butt and eating the burger. Yeah, man. We had to come to a stop on a home reno because we ran out of screws. Like I said over there like 2 times. And God's supposed to, you ain't hear me, motherfucker. We got some screws right there too. So we're gonna get back to work tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. If you ain't already a part of my family, you know what I'm saying, hit that like, subscribe button to the video. It's going to start getting lit. Watch what I tell you. You figure deal me? We just going to have to get it popping. So, I need them subscriptions. You feel me? Y'all got me feeling like a chicken nugget dipped in some ugly sauce. You know, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right here, man. I'm tripping. So, until next time, peace. I'm out, nigga.